Random people in the back.
First day in Seoul, well, I guess night. We went out for dinner, had some Hanbok barbecue, which was awesome. Had some really spicy bibimbap, but I love that. So we're in Gyeongbokgung right now, and we're gonna try to check out a stream that's nearby. Hey, we made it to the stream.
It's pretty.
Just kidding. But really though, where is the stream?
I just wanted to show you all this, like, what do you call it? Street shoppers. See, Outback Steak.
They have an Outback Steakhouse.
They keep, like, stray cats here. See the cat tower there?
We're going to PC Cafe now.
Films these cats too.
This is making my login throwback though. Maple Story. Just kidding. I'm gonna try to play StarCraft. We're trying to go to Gyeongbokgung Palace in Insadong, but I need to go buy a subway card. So I think we found it.
Oh, we
Should
found
be
it.
right.
It's right here.
Yeah, so he's gonna show us how to do it. Let's see.
Oh, nice.
Okay, they have it in English. Okay, so if
Okay.
you're visiting Korea, no problem. Just look for the T-Money card, and you can.
chosen
Oh,
to purchase
okay.
a T-Money card.
Are you adult?
I think so. Just kidding. Yeah.
You have selected an adult
Where?
T-Money
Oh.
card.
It's
Please
cute.
select the card you wish to purchase.
It's cheaper, so.
Please enter
That's
the
how you spell
amount
accessory.
in your card.
50.
How much do you suggest for like
confirm
2
the
weeks
amount
or
you're
less
paying.
of traveling here? Because we're gonna.
Let's start with 40,000. I mean 40,000. Yeah, 40,000.
So 40,000 won.
Your
Oh,
request has been canceled.
No.
wow! It's so fast. It times out so fast. Okay, let's try again.
You have chosen to purchase a T-Money card. You have selected an adult. Please enter the amount, and your card will be issued.
How do we enter?
How do you even enter? Where's?
What?
Is there like a keypad?
This
You have
is.
to enter a bill.
Oh,
so
you
maybe
have
right
to
here.
enter.
Yeah. Can you?
Yeah, I'll hold it here.
Okay.
Your
So.
request
Oh no.
Wow! It's you have to prepare it right
Money
away.
first. Yeah.
So you make sure you have cash, and then also be really fast when you're doing it. So have 1, 2, 3. No, rolling in though. Okay, so it's probably gonna time out if we do. No.
It's
Wait,
gonna
wait,
time
wait.
out. No, it's okay.
Oh,
we haven't
we
started
didn't do it yet. Okay.
Yeah.
T-Money 카드
So you have
3,000.
to
사용하십시오.
buy the card first, and then you're gonna charge it on here.
yeah. So it looks like it was 3. This was 3,000 won, and then you have to charge it.
Yeah.
So you buy the card and then you charge it here.
Here.
Also.
Also.
Okay. So now I'm gonna charge it. So let's see. This is so nice. The box. How does it? Oh. Okay.
Whoa.
So wow, this is so nice.
C
So
plus.
top
Yeah,
up.
just top.
충전하실 금액 버튼을
Oh, here we
눌러주십시오.
go.
Here we
so
have-
I think for about a week. I guess our
let's
highest
start.
option is
Highest option is
20,000 won. So
20,000.
we'll go with that.
2만 원 충전입니다.
Okay.
충전하실
Put it
금액을
there.
투입하시면
What do I do?
충전이 진행됩니다.
Insert.
Insert. Oh, the money. So now you insert the money.
투입 금 충전이 끝날 때까지 기다려 주십시오. 충전이 완료되었습니다.
Never know.
So now we can get
This
on
is
the
the car.
bus. Yeah. So to
20,000
Insadong.
won.
Let's go.
So the way you do it, you put card over here, and you have to
Enter. Go. 빨리,
enter
빨리.
quickly and buy.
Bye.
Our queue.
How does it? Okay. So
It's our
you're-
train.
So when you hear the cute music, that's when the train is coming.
The doors are on your right.
see the stores are opening up now at 10 a.m. It's Sunday. It's beautiful. We're at this cafe called DoDo, I think so.
Sun is out.
Let's see the sun. It's so beautiful here. But yay, we got our food. So here's the omichacha egg. This is so good. Oh, did I spill? So, how to describe it? Like, I mean, lemonade, so a little sour. Not too much though, and like, not too sweet. And it has
Mostly like raspberry.
like a raspberry
Without
tea.
wine.
I don't know. It's
know.
really good.
It's
And then we got
You guys need to
pat-
try.
patsu. What's
Got you.
So it's the red bean porridge. It's hot and there's like jujube, I think.
Little
Pine nut. Oh, I'm allergic to nuts, but that's okay.
Get rid of all
But
the
that's
nuts.
okay. It looks cool. The pine nuts look cool, but I'm allergic to pine nuts, so we have to take it out. And the green tea latte, nokcha latte. So we're gonna eat. I really like this omichacha.
You do?
So good.
Let me get rid of all the top marks so that you don't get an allergic reaction.
This is called yakwa, and it's like looks like that.
Very chewy.
Very chewy and very sweet. I like it. All of the food here is like not too sweet, which is nice. Yeah. So
Green tea latte.
except for green tea latte, but that's okay because I love green tea latte. So good. So beautiful, seriously.
Is it real?
Oh my god, you're really gonna grab it?
It's plastic.
We're gonna eat this and then go rent Hanbok and go to Gyeongbokgung. 가자! So we're going to rent Hanbok now. We're at this complex that is right next to the DoDo cafe. Yeah, we saw a bunch of people wearing these like beautiful golden like trimmed hanbok. So we're gonna try to find that store and rent the hanbok and go to Gyeongbokgung.
It's right there.
Oh, it's here. Okay. Oh, 이거 so pretty. This will be my first time wearing hanbok, so let's see how it goes. We're here with our hanbok. You can see we are 대한민국 color, red, white, blue. Also United States. But you're here.
So we're friends.
Coming up on Gyeongbokgung. There's the guard changing ceremony. So there it is.
Good.
This
Totally
happens
blend in
only
there.
a couple times a day, and they said it's a don't miss. So now we are not missing it.
We should just like follow
We should just follow them in our outfits.
them. Oh. Hold on. That's-
This place is so beautiful, and this is so worth it. Definitely, this is like something you have to see when you come to Seoul.